our society, if any couple is childless, the blame is passed on to the female. The research says in almost 50% childless couples, men are responsible for it. In such cases also where man is not able to cause pregnancy, Akanksha IVF Center provides you the complete solution.
It is not always necessary that a healthy-looking person is capable to cause pregnancy. Actually, a man's fertility generally relies on the quality and quantity of the sperm. If the number of sperm a man ejaculates is low, or if the sperm are of poor quality, dead sperm or no sperm, then it would be impossible for the female to conceive.
At Akanksha IVF Center, we have helped a number of male infertile men who wants to have the dream of completing their family, and we have got various techniques available with us. We do a simple semen washing which enhances this motile sperm, and we are doing this sperm DNA test, which is a Halos test, which is available with us. We are one of the few centers in Delhi which are performing this test, and we are doing sperm activation for immotile sperms. We are using pentoxyphylline or theophylline, and regularly we are doing PESA, TESA and TESI for extraction of sperm directly from the testes or epididymis. And once we extract the sperms, we use this sperm for doing ICSI or PICSI. That is the final step by which we can fertilize the eggs.
At this center, we do psychological profiling of the women. When we find that they are having high levels of anxiety, depression and general life stress, we first try to manage that, because it has been found that once the depression, anxiety and stress of the patient is identified and reduced, then the successful pregnancy rate is significantly enhanced. In fact, we are right now conducting a research project at Maulana Azad Medical College, Department of Reproductive Medicine, on this very issue, and it has been found that when we use methods of relaxation, yoga and counseling to help the patient to be more relaxed, comfortable and stress-free, then the pregnancy outcome is much enhanced.
About 2/3 of infertile men have a problem with making sperm in the testes. A testicular biopsy may, on rare occasions, be done to help determine the cause of male infertility. So here in Akanksha IVF, through our expertise, thousands of childless couples are enjoying the parental pleasure today.
Sperm retrieval techniques are routinely performed at Akanksha IVF Center. The indication for the procedure are azoospermic males who are not able to ejaculate normally. So by this technique, under local anesthesia, we try and retrieve the sperms and use them for a procedure later called IVF and ICSI. In this technique, this is done for other indications also, like we just did for a patient who was a case of seminoma testis, wherein the testis of one side was removed and the other side was biopsied so as to take out the sperms which can be preserved. This is called oncopreservation for the use of ICSI later.
So, in the same way, men cannot be blamed alone for infertility. There are a number of reasons which causes female infertility.
Hormonal imbalance, ovarian flaws like fail to produce mature eggs, blockage in fallopian tubes, or sperm not reaching in cervical canal are the major reason in majority of cases of infertility in women. Then there are reasons connected to lifestyle also, like stress, fooding habits, drinking, smoking, late marriages, etc.
मेरे दोनों बच्चे यहीं से मिले मुझे. अगर मीन्स डॉक्टर नायर के लिए मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ जो ये आकांक्षा IVF चला रहे हैं. मीन्स काफ़ी लोगों के ड्रीम्स हैं यहाँ के पूरे हुए हैं जिनको बच्चे चाहिए.
I just received my twins from Akanksha IVF only.
हम तो सबको यही बोलेंगे जो कहीं नहीं होता वो यहाँ सर के पास एकदम सक्सेस 100 में 100 मिलता ही है. इसीलिए सबको यही बोलेंगे कि जहाँ कहीं भी ये पैसा तो सब जगह खर्च होता है, लेकिन यहाँ जो है यहाँ मन भी शांत होता है और पूरा सक्सेस भी मिलता है. इसलिए यहाँ पे आने का सबको मोटिवेट करेंगे.
I know Akanksha since last 3 years, and Akanksha Clinic strives to offer the best solution to all the couples like me who seek for an infertility treatment. They have a best team which is inspired by Dr. K.D. Nair. They have a team which gives you a homely feeling and they don't treat you as a patient, they treat you as your own relative or as your own child. So I would urge everyone, whosoever have that problem, please approach Akanksha Clinic and get your problem solved, because they will give you a bundle full of joy with your own babies.
I have lost all the hopes to have my own baby. But then somebody suggested me IVF procedure. Today I am thankful to Akanksha IVF Center and Dr. Nair to give me pleasure of becoming parents of my own child.
Today, with advancement, techniques have been developed where a man or woman can preserve sperm or eggs to be used later. Lot of people are doing this and becoming parents of their genetic child even if marrying late. Actually, with age, in men, sperm quality goes down, and same in females, their production of eggs diminishes with age. Akanksha IVF is one of the institutions which always keep abreast with the latest development and is fully equipped to offer such facilities to its patients.
The time lapse which we have got is from Vitrolife in Sweden. It is one of the best machine available to us, and using this machine we have been able to choose the best embryos for transfer, and which has helped in increasing our implantation rate. The couple goes back with a healthy baby, which is the ultimate aim of the center.
For pregnancy to occur, every part of the complex human reproduction process has to take place just right. And Akanksha IVF Center is fully equipped and has expertise to satiate your need to have a child.